look out the window. She's silly. Because I'm enjoying the view. Good morning, everyone. Afternoon. Morning? Yeah. Good morning. Just got up a while ago. I'm about to start cleaning this bedroom because it's a mess, and I had like junk over here from whatever I had took out last from my car. Yesterday was a pretty chill day. I actually just like usually stayed in, and it rained so much and it was so cold. But today is like really sunny. I need to open the blinds so you can see like that is bright outside. And I know the clouds going over right now because it was brighter in here. So I don't know what we're gonna do today because my phone just got disconnected because I was told that I didn't pay the full amount or something like that. I don't know. So I have to wait till he gets here because I don't have a car. I have to wait till he gets here, and then I'm gonna go deposit the money because I have cash. I'm gonna go deposit the money into my account. Yeah, I'm gonna go deposit the money in my account and then go and pay for it so I can open it. And I don't know, it's just so much stuff that I have to do today in order to fix the whole phone issue too. Because if I don't have a phone, then I can't call no one, and if I don't have a phone, then I can't upload videos because I usually use a hotspot on my phone to upload videos because I don't have internet. So it's gonna be up and down, round and round kind of day, but hopefully we'll make the best of it today. But yeah, just see you in a little bit. Hello. Just got home. Drove to my mom's real quick in order to drop off the key that they needed for the car so they could pick it up because it was a voluntary what? Voluntary surrender. That's why they needed the key so they could like back it up and take it over. So we went over there, did that, ate breakfast. My mom cooked us breakfast, and then headed back home so I could be here with the girls and he could go to work. So just settling in, they're eating wild animals and just chilling. Yep, don't know what I'm gonna do today. Feeling kind of down because I finally took it, but it's okay. Good things will come. I don't know. We'll see. Good things should be coming this year, so I do appreciate the comments that I got, and support. It helped a lot seeing that, but I don't know. We'll see what I get into today. I'm just waiting to see if my dad has a car that I could borrow for next week for the interview. So see you in a little. Look at her taking a nap. Fifi. Fifi. Okay, come meet me. Hello everyone. It is so dark. It's getting so dark and it's barely not even. It's about to be 5:30 and the weather says it's gonna get bad. And right now I'm looking outside and it's coming down. As you could hear, I was watching the news and it was saying that it's gonna get really fast starting right now. They said announce it at 5:30. So I'm about to close this window because I don't want her to come in here in the bedroom. Ooh, copper. It is horrible. And ooh, I let him know. I told him because he's at work right now. I was like, it's gonna get bad and everything. So I don't know if I'm expecting him early or something, but it's bad. It is super duper bad. I had took a nap because I had took medicine. Oh, it's getting darker by the second. It's crazy. Let me open the blind. It's okay, y'all. You gotta come here because it's gonna get worse. I know, it's okay. My little thunder buddy. Maybe I can see it. Oh no. Okay. There's some waves of water. And the screen is killing the video. I can hear it. I should have caught it. Someone accidentally, they were getting out of the car and I think they were trying to get water from the little water mill and they slipped. Sitting here and doing that. Okay. Update on a little bit. Look at all that wind. There's like things here. Ooh, it's getting cold. According to my phone, it says it's 66 degrees outside. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. It's kind of like in and out. It's coming down and it's coming. I don't know. There you go. This dang little window blind thing is like annoying. Sweet. Now the waiting game in order to see if he's gonna come home or not. But I know people are looking at me all weird because I know like people that have been, because I'm like really close to the road, so they see me and they're like, what is she doing? But yep, just showing y'all what's going on over here. Quickly showing, it is now raining on the window, but the weather has just changed that quickly to 64. I don't know if I can see it. There it goes. 64 degrees from 66. And it feels amazing. That's why I'm just sitting right here because I was all hot and stuff. But I'm just showing y'all how the weather is going. The temperature is going down quickly, really quickly. Just want to show y'all the sky. Oh, it's so cool. I want to look out the window. It's just silly. Because I'm enjoying the view of the sky. I was trying to get a picture of it on my phone, but it wasn't coming out as well. That looks amazing. I've never seen that like that before. What do y'all think? Is it pretty cool? Padme. Oh my goodness, Padme. I'm just gonna keep recording it. That looks amazing. I mean, that's the light from the light post, but I can actually see it over here as well. Trying to just zoom in. Oh no, it's so far. It's a gorgeous sky. Padme, no, don't put your face there. She's just trying to get in the pictures. bad name. She's like, pay attention to me. Look at her face. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Hello. Been stay at home indoor. Went to my mom's. Got the car finally picked up and taken. And now I'm about to watch a little bit of Mad Men. Then go to bed. But as far as that, I think that's didn't do much today. Hopefully tomorrow will be different. But yeah, that's about it. I'm kind of pooped out. But we'll see what I get into tomorrow. But yep. So as far as that, I want to thank y'all for watching. If you're new, subscribe. And like and comment and let me know what y'all think. So I'll just see y'all tomorrow. Bye.